Hey, Top Scholars. So here we are. I want to help you today to learn not only how to use the suffix, which goes at the end of a base word or root word, that's the same name for the same thing, but how it changes the meaning of the word, but it also changes its part of speech. And if we do this, we can make our writing better. So let's go ahead and look at what I have here. I have sad, slow turtles run under a rainbow. So instead of saying run as my verb, I'm going to change that as a more descriptive verb. And I'm going to say plod, because plod is a verb where it kind of describes that you're kind of going slowly. Because I don't want to use adjectives to describe things. I want to turn my adjectives into adverbs. Isn't that crazy? But that's what I want to do. And I can do that by using the suffix ly. Watch me do that. I'm going to take the suffix ly and I'm going to put it on that adjective, slow. And now it's slowly. But it doesn't make sense where it is it? Because that's not where it goes in our syntax. Sad, slowly turtles plod under a rainbow. No. So I need to delete that, and I need to put it over here in purple, slowly. Now I have a sentence that is very descriptive. Sad turtles plod slowly under a rainbow. Do you see how I did that? How I changed a word and I changed its function in the sentence to make it more descriptive. Okay, boys and girls, so let's try another one. Happy young cats play before nap time. How could I change it around a little bit? Well, I know that the adjective young, I could change my noun. Instead of saying cats, I could say kittens, if I could spell it right. So now I don't have to say they're young cats, they're kittens, right? So let's see, how could I change happy into an adverb? Yes, I could turn happy into an adverb by changing the Y to I and adding ly. Okay? Happily kittens play before nap time. Yeah, I could say it that way, but that's not really the way we talk. So I'm going to actually you know what? I think I'm not going to use I could try it. I'm going to do it. I'm going to put it over here. Happily. Oopsie, it wants to put a capital, but I don't want a capital there. Okay. Happy. Excuse me, boys and girls, little typo there. Kittens. So I'd have to capitalize this. Kittens play happily before nap time. Well, I could even get rid of that adverb and I could find a more descriptive verb here. Instead of saying play, I could say frolic. Because if you're going to frolic, you're kind of going to be happy. Okay? Kittens frolic before nap time. See how I used the least amount of words I could to be the most descriptive? Isn't that fun? All right. I'm going to pause it here and show you something new. Another way we can be more descriptive is we can go ahead and make nouns into adjectives. Instead of saying that someone has a good brain, we can just say that they are brainy. We add a Y, a suffix Y. Instead of saying that there is mud outside, we could say it is muddy outside. We have to double the D because we want that U to stay a short sound. If there is sun outside, which is a noun, we could say an adjective, it is sunny. Again, we have to double the N. If it's rainy outside, if there's rain outside, we can say it's rainy. So boys and girls, today we are going to be adding the suffix Y to words, the suffix Y to words to make base words to make new words, and oftentimes it's a noun being made into an adjective. We are also going to be changing adjectives into adverbs by adding ly. So, my goodness, language is just so fun, and it's so fun to make yourself think about it. Okay, so think about it.